That means uptown. That means uptown. What do you mean? What do you mean? This could be bullish. You may just be right. It's just a matter of when. You see, I've had this descending wedgie here, just having a difficult time to pick and pull out and then rise to the occasion. If it's too tight, then you'll have a problem. If it's not, if it's loose, then yeah, then maybe you'll have something to go along with. Does that make sense? Maybe that makes sense. I don't know. So, what's good, my Dunians? Welcome back to another live stream with yours truly, LionOfAllTradez. Here at the Lion's Den live stream with all the Lion's Den fam. What's going on? You guys didn't expect me to come on, huh? Or be on mic, for that matter. Yeah. Can you hear me? Let me know if you guys can hear me on the stream, on the mic, on whatever. What's up, Fishy? What's up, Joker? What's up, Moistly? You rotund calzone. Less manly today. You want me to put it up some more? Let me see if I can do that for you. I can always just move it closer and put it in, close to my mouth. I mean, my mic is all the way up. I literally have to turn it down a notch. So yeah, what's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm here at home, snowed in. I think if I haven't heard any of the plows passing through the streets. And last night when I was outside looking on the streets, it just seems like there were no plows that went through, and literally doing a horrible job cleaning up and making sure the streets are clear for people to drive and get to work if necessary. Oh, it's less baritone? It's less baritone. Okay. Baritone. Yeah, I think it's because I'm having coffee right now. But is my mic good though? Like, all jokes aside, is it good? I just need to know. Anyways, what's going on? What's the latest? What's the updates? How are you guys doing? We're 4 minutes away from being 230, and hopefully 230 margin calls. which I doubt it. But then again, 3 o'clock power hour soon to be arriving. We don't know what the situation is going to be for that. Today is Monday, February 23rd, 2026. New York goes through a blizzard for the first time in 16 years, I think. And yeah, it's pretty shitty because we're snowed in once again. Anyways, yeah, Johnny, what's happening? What's happening with you? Good morning. Well, is it good morning or is it afternoon in California? I think it's like 12 p.m. over there. But yeah, I am at home. I'm a bit snowed in. My boss told me not to come into work, so I'm here live streaming with you guys for the time being. And if you would like to stay a little bit more after hours, we can do that too. I know it's been a while since I've been on mic, since I've been on stream and miking at the same time and talking with you guys. But I'm here in this rare occasion, and we're here to talk about what's going on right now with the markets. And yeah, we were talking about this chart that I have here on this chart layout on TradingView, and I had pretty much drew out this technical analysis of this descending wedgie, and lo and behold, Fishy gifting a LionOfAllTradez membership to Johnny Rodriguez. Johnny, you just got gifted by Fishy. Congratulations, and thank you, Fishy, once again for showing the love. Always much respects to you. Love you, love everybody here, and always showing love to the stream. So thank you for dropping in today, guys. I was not expecting that. I thought it would be a little bit of a quiet time by myself here, and just but yeah, man, that's awesome to see. I love to see it. And yeah, you can spam all the rockets you want, the lion rockets, the roars. Have fun with it. Spam it. I don't care. Have fun. So yeah, the GME wedgie, the 4-hour chart shown on here on screen, if you guys can see clearly. Just literally, drawing trend lines to follow to the, to where the points are here. All the bounces that had occurred in the past on this chart, and now we're in this situation here, right? Now we're in this very situation where things could be getting a little bit interesting within the next coming week or so, right? I know that there is things are getting a little tight on this wedgie, and it seems like it has been following to the T so far, not disappointing and coming to fruition. So we have two scenarios here. Now we've been seeing this chart for a while, since it was at around this area. Now we're at this point where it fell from that trend line around 24 and has fallen and reached below 23. And we had talked about that as according to that scenario, where if it would actually reject that trend line and start to pull back, and it would actually retest this trend line as support, and lo and behold, that's what happened. As predicted. Not financial advice. As you know, this live stream is For educational, entertainment, and research purposes. Always do your own due diligence. But yeah, so we just got this situation here where we saw a bounce. We're seeing a bounce now. The next 4-hour candle definitely bounced off that trend line. And we need this 4-hour candle, which ends in the next 1 hour and 28 minutes, which is how much we have left until the market is over and it's closed. For it to get back to 23.25, that is the price target for now. So if GME can achieve that price target before market closes and it breaks over that, then I think we're good. I think we're good to see a reversal completely and perhaps have the potential of seeing GME try to retest back over 2340, even 2350. When that happens, obviously the 2350 calls would go into money, and then so forth. That's my opinion on that. That's my take on this, TA. If you have any other views or any other opinions that you may want to share, always feel free to do so on the chat, and we can always talk about it. Let's see what's going on with the comment section here. The chat. Johnny's family is in Mexico. They're in Jalisco, where the mess is at. I miss you too. I saw the news, and it's quite unfortunate, and the mess that's going on over there. It definitely looked like a war zone to me. There's even areas where it is usually popular in tourists, and I believe there were some people from Canada visiting in that same area, where they were staying at a hotel, and they were like on the rooftops, and they were literally just looking at the mess that's happening. Cities waking up to an unprecedented target of violence, explosions. A main leader of a gang, of a cartel gang, was taken out, and chaos erupted in many places in Mexico. And it's getting really chaotic, and now people are forced to leave Mexico from those specific cities, probably go back home to their countries, wherever they came from, Canada, wherever they're visiting from. But yeah, this is a big deal for them, to say the least, because one of their leaders had been taken out, and now we don't know what's the next measures to take due to this situation, and what President Trump will do afterwards. But the president of Mexico has a lot of mess in their hands too. So, but yeah, we'll keep a track of that and see what else follows through. And it sucks because we probably have possible casualties and all that stuff. It sucks to see innocent people, involved in that too, in that mess. So prayers go out to them and for the people in Mexico. So besides that, changing topics, we got Kai Supreme in the chat. Your favorite vacation spot? Oh, is it Jalisco or what? What vacation spot in Mexico is your favorite? Merger Monday news after hours. I'd love to hear it. Maybe this is where it all starts to unfold. And ladies and gentlemen, we have some volume pouring in right now into GME as we are chatting right now. Nice little bounce here from 23.15, 23.13, now past 23.20, 23.28. The price right now for GME, 23.28. So now we're definitely seeing that trend come to fruition. Nate Senior 9170, thank you for dropping into the live stream. Here drinking some coffee right now and trying to wake up and work my jaw muscles. But yeah, this is my take on it. This is my TA for now. I'm still amateur, but this descending wedgie that we've been seeing GME go through for the past month, since February 3rd, and just following through. And now we were at the point where there is a bounce that had occurred just this morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. It hit a low of 22.80. So if you missed out on an opportunity, I think that was the entry point right there, in my opinion. Non-financial advice. Now the 4-hour candle that's currently trading definitely did break the last 4-hour candle's body, and now attempting to break over the wick, and it's going, guys. It's going. We have a nice bounce even on the hourly. Nice reversal. Possible cup and handle, maybe. We may we may see that happening right now. And look at this nice little incline on that trend line. Was this that? I think that's a 50. That's got to be the 50 MA turning up a bit here. So this is good. So this is one of those situations. If you are into options, $23 calls or $23.50 calls for, let's say, for example, as an example, March 20th would definitely have you gaining a good amount of percentage there. So all right, so that's the quick update right now. So 23.29, GME is trying to go back into the green, down currently negative 0.60%. Let us just quickly check on the chat. Let's see. Okay, so Nate, once again, Merger Monday news after hours. Trust me, bro. LOL. I would love to see that, dude. If by all means this snowstorm came at a perfect time and snowed me in for me to stay at home and witness what could be the merger news after hours, holy please, let it be the fact. We would all love to see that, you know. So if you guys believe in manifesting, manifest into that, and let's hope for the good news to hit. But as you know, there will be some influence of the market taking place, and you know, making things a little bit difficult for the stock to continue to go up. So we need to see GME continue to break over 23.30 and all those levels. 23.50 is your goal price target for this week. So we need to see GME break over 23.50 before this week is over. So that's just a general statement there, general opinion. Let's see. They want his body back so they can do his rosary. Wow. So they want to pray for a cartel leader. That's That's great. Kai Supreme says, I know that area very well. Puerto Vallarta. Nate says, trust me, bro. LOL. Johnny says, I spoke to a cousin of mine earlier in the morning. He said a lot of people escaped from the jail on Puerto Vallarta, but you don't see that no, not at all. Oh, that is the corruption. That is the corruption that would that would literally keep keep away that part of the story from the people, and not knowing that they are at risk of getting hurt or worse because of all of these prisoners that escaped from the jail over there. And if that's the case, then that's going to be really bad. Just imagine all the gang leaders and then just gathering all of them up and preparing something and planning on attacking more. I mean, it's going to be even more of a mess, in my opinion. We'll just have to see what unfolds in the next couple of weeks. Let's see. My wife, so Fishy says my wife's fam lives in Tatepozco, Jalisco. Gotcha. Johnny says my father-in-law, mother-in-law were coming from Mexico yesterday. I thought they were going to fly from Jalisco, but they're coming on the bus. Well, yeah. Well, when you have situations like that, you never know. There's been drones. There's been drone attacks. There's been drones that have been trying to cross the border and target, certain things. I don't know if you remember last week what happened when the drones kind of infiltrated part of the airport. I don't know where it was exactly, but they figured it was that. Ladies and gentlemen, another boost in volume, another pop for GME. 2334. 2334 is the current price, down 0.38%. It's trying to go into green. This could happen before even power hour starts at this rate. Talking about AMC right now. AMC is literally just stagnant. It's barcoding. It is, going through its chaotic cycle here. I'm not even sure what to think of it. And talking about AMC did release its earnings report. And they, according to Reuters, they did beat revenue estimates as box office recovers. If we can read along here, AMC Entertainment beat Wall Street expectations for the fourth quarter revenue on Monday, offering a sign of confidence in the slow recovery of cinema traffic from pandemic era lows. And they're just always continuing about the same thing, always comparing it to the pandemic era lows. What about now? What about from last year? Talk about the comparisons from that. They're always using that all the time. If you noticed, always. But anyways, if that was the case and they showed so much positivity about it, then why is the stock at $1.19? Why is it that there's companies like Cinemark, who's also a big theater chain, yet AMC is a big name and it's been around for more than 100 years, and Cinemark is trading at what, $24 a share? Was it CNK? Oh no, it's at $26 a share. It's at $26 a share. Can you believe that? And once upon a time, it was worth around 36. Oh wait, hold on. Pause. this was actually somewhere around 45. So what's the difference? And on top of that, Cinemark paying dividends back then, and then they started paying dividends. Actually, as a matter of fact, they had a period where they had stopped paying dividends back in March 5th of 2020, and that was just as when the pandemic was getting started. And then when everything went back to normal, then fast forward to 2025 is when they started paying dividends again, 8 cents a share. They didn't really do great on earnings, so for the past 5 earnings, they've had missed expectations. But the revenue was a hit or miss. Here we go. We got Eric G in the chat. Welcome back, hermano. Bro, it was so good to see your stream Friday night, man. If you guys didn't know, Eric G live streamed for the first time on YouTube. DJ E. Martin. If you want to share your live stream, feel free to post the link so people can add you and subscribe to your channel. But yeah, that was pretty fun. Even though like I was actually. Oh, wait a minute. But yeah, I was playing handball that night too, so I was only able to catch a little bit of your stream, and then I had to go in to a facility and play some handball. But hey, I guess the target for GME has been is about to be hit right now, so I guess that means we're seeing this happen before Power Hour, and even before this week is over. So now, if this is the case, and if we see GME break over 2350, hello, can we actually see 24? Maybe can we see 32? Can we see 40? Maybe today's the day. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the moment that we've been waiting for. As this stream is titled, is this the moment we were waiting for? Mate is saying GameStop merger Monday, and he's been reiterating this a couple of times on the chat right now. But yeah, man, love you too, bro. Love you too, Eric. And you know, I just got to do it. I got to support. So, and that goes for everybody else here. That, you know, if you have a channel and you're trying to get some content out there, trying to show your experience and what you can do, I'm there to support. You let me know. I'll subscribe to you. And yeah, man, that's what it's all about. That is what it's all about. Say word. Big Bird. We got the parabolic RSI on the 4-hour chart here, just showing how close it is for a breakout. This is what we want to see. You can see it happen here on the hourly parabolic RSI indicator here, where there's a clean breakout right over that red that downtrend there, and starting a new trend up. That's a positive sign. Look at that beautiful green candle on the hourly. 2351. 2351 has just been hit. It's been cracked. It's been broken. Nate, manifest. Everybody else, manifest, because this is getting real. Shit's getting real. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at SPY real quick and see what that's doing. And if we can compare both SPY and let's do some comparisons right now. Actually, let's go. So this is the chart as of 12:36. You can see that it had been following the SPY, because SPY did recover. But look at this though. As soon as we get over here, GME went flat as SPY started to come back down again. So if you notice that you have this consolidation for GME, as at the same time where SPY is on a downtrend. Once again, this is no coincidence. Now you have this huge rip right here. You have a little bit of a bump here on SPY, but this is a lot more prominent, and we're seeing a lot more volume flow into GME. If we can see, and as you know, we talked about for many times, and other people talking about this, if we can actually see this continue to sell off, but at the same time GME go the opposite direction, then the whole term of decoupling may just be may just not be a myth anymore. And if this is indeed the sign of the merger, Nate is calling it, and we're gonna see as we're getting closer to power hour to see that come into fruition. If that is the fact, then maybe this was destined. Maybe the fact that I was snowed in today and I didn't have to come into work was a good thing, and that we're here all together to witness it and see greatness unfold before our very eyes. Because that would be so epic right now. And for those of you that have been holding GME or swinging $23 calls, $23.50 calls, congratulations, you're in the money. And oh yeah, oh yes, yes indeedy, we'd like to see it. Yeah. Yeah. Merger Monday news, baby. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. All right, so just, I'm gonna keep this together, SPY and GME at the same time. Let me see. I think I have. Oh no, I don't have Webull open. I'm gonna open Webull, and we're gonna check out the options statistics to see what the volume looks like for GME calls versus puts. Let's see. I pray to God that that's what happened. We pray to God. We pray to Jesus. We manifest that everything starts to unfold and be exposed to the light, and that we see this miracle happen for everyone, because the transition of wealth is real, and it shall happen, in my opinion. With everything that we've been seeing in the past few years, there's so much evidence out there that confirms all of what we've been hearing, and that again this comes to fruition and we see it happen. Yeah. Wu-Tang in the house. Yeah. Oh, what? You know, get a hood. Come we gotta run. What? EXK, just looking at the chart right now, it's almost back to $13 a share. Endeavor Silver, one of those silver mining companies that we've been covering for over 2 years, since it was at $2 a share, now almost $13 again. reached a high of 1322 earlier this morning during pre-market hours. Let's check out GME's options statistics, and we can tell here that we have a whopping 107.85 thousand total volume in call options, compared to a total volume of 19.73 thousand in puts. So that's how you know things is racking up in volume, in premiums. A lot of them in $25 strike calls, a lot of them in 24, some in 23, and more than that in $30 strike calls. So maybe that is something that that is pretty much showing us that something could definitely happen, and maybe those strike calls could go into money this week. As you can see, there is more volume coming in for the $23.50 calls. It just moved from 9.14 thousand to 9.18 as I'm seeing this happen in real time. I'm on Webull, not sponsored. Listen, there's gonna be some fighting here. All right, there's gonna be some fighting. There's gonna be some suppression. You know, you always got to figure out the resistance. They're gonna not want to let this fly over 2350 and try to keep those calls out of the money, because you know they have to eventually make their money too, right? All right, we have a little signal there, a little red signal here on the 2-minute chart. So maybe that is what's happening currently. A little bit of resistance there at 2350. So that is for now going to be the price target, the goal. And if we can get that over before power hour is over, before market is closed, then that is good news, because we want to see GME stay in the green and close in the green. Not financial advice, by the way. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for dropping into the stream today, Monday, February 23rd, 2026. A lot of people snowed in up here in the Northeast, different parts. And Gabe, I don't know if he's in here, Joker of Babylon in New Hampshire. I don't know if he's been snowed in, but yeah, that's the reason why I'm at home. Stayed home from work. So what's going on? Let's check the chat. Johnny Machuchi's in the house. Is Jimmy going up? Let's see. Because you know, we're just gonna find out what happens during power hour, which is happening right now. Officially power hour right now. It's 3:00 p.m. Eastern time. Power hour just got started. Let's see if we have another boost of volume for GME and should try to break over 2350 once again, and possibly see another leg up and quickly see this go to 24. Who knows? Maybe that could happen. Let's manifest. Let's pray that this happens, please. There could be a potential for SPY to rebound as well. The RSI, the parabolic RSI here, showing us a little bit of a pennant forming, and there is a bounce. There goes that bounce. As you can see, at the same time GME just bounced from 2344 to 2363. 2363 just got hit. 2363 just got hit at the same time SPY, and I would like to think that that's the overall markets doing the same thing as well. Big pop for SPY, as I showed you again here, showing on the parabolic RSI and the 2-minute chart. there is a pennant and a breakout. So that is, you know, if you're looking into SPY calls for the short term, for a little quickie, any outie, that was your little money maker right there. A dollar move, a $0.50 move there if it continues. And look at that, a big pop right there, 2365, 2366 just hit for GME. A lot more momentum here possibly happening here for GME. SPY still trying, but it looks like it's gonna probably try for another leg up here. We'll see in the next 2 to 4 minutes. Let's see what happens. This is cool, man. This is cool, guys. Jeez, I'd like to see this. Woohoo! Let's do it. All right. All right, all right. That is what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Again, I'd like to shout out Fishy once again for gifting LionOfAllTradez membership, the Lions Den membership, to Johnny. Congratulations once again, Johnny, and thank you, Fishy, for that. Always showing love to this channel, to the stream, and you know, happy to see that you guys are witnessing potentially the greatness unfold in front of our eyes. Oh yes, oh yes. Let's see what is going on. I will put an alert for 2370, and I will put an alert for 681.60 on SPY, and then 680.80 if bearish. GME thinking of another leg up. I'm telling you, if this is the case, Nate, this might just be a sign that merger may just be on the way after market close. Maybe GME is acquiring PayPal and taking over, because PayPal did halt earlier this morning. I don't know if you heard the news. We'll check here nx.com. We're gonna go to the latest on PayPal. As Bloomberg reports, PayPal attracts takeover interest after the stock slumps. Haha. Some people are calling out that GME had just bought PayPal. Don't be surprised to see some sort of announcement like that soon. So even this guy here, which he had just edited this post at 3:02 just 3 minutes ago, Goatsbeard. Let's check this out right here. Can we see this? Listen, 3 minutes ago, IBM stock falls over negative 10% after Anthropic announces that Claude can streamline COBOL code. So IBM is down. IBM just got smoked. PayPal just got halted. Takeover rumors hit. Dead money fintech finally getting a bid. Up 6%, and circuit breaker triggered. This is why you don't give up on bags. This is what this guy said on X.com. Let's see. Let's check out. See, 23.58. There's a little bit of a pullback there. Let's go ahead and put in PayPal. It is trading. It is trading. It must have halted right around here when it was at 45.68. And it was at 40.78, almost $41 before market open. So this, whatever happened here with the news of the takeover, it made PayPal halt. And now we're at the situation here. Warrants, GME warrants actually up, and it's back in the green at 429. Once again, GME warrants up in the green at 430. At 430, so even GME warrants here coming up, recovering, bouncing from as low as 412 earlier this afternoon. As a matter of fact, it was at 408 after market open, and it's trying to come back up over 430. So take a look at the 4 hour real quick. Look at how this looks like on the 4 hour chart. Even the warrants are looking pretty solid in my opinion. If we take a look at that 4 hour chart, and yeah, this thing is looking pretty solid, honestly. I know there's a couple of you that are holding warrants or has been purchasing warrants. This looks good. This looks good. So let's see real quick. There's like other things going on. There's like PayPal investors facing April 20th lead plaintiff deadline and securities fraud class action lawsuit. So there's that going on too. I don't know what that's all about. We still have Bitcoin on a little bit of a sell-off. 64,229. Ethereum at 1,856. XRP at 135, while Doge is at just above 9 cents. Is this the moment that we were waiting for? SPY is looking weak here. SPY is looking weak here as GME is actually closing in on a crossover, a bullish crossover between the 50 and the 200 moving average. Oh boy. Check that out. That is insane. We're seeing both GME and SPY move inversely, if that's even a word. Move inverse from each other. We got to see if this actually plays out, because this is literally on the brink of crossing over. Little golden cross on the 2 minute chart. We have to see this pop over 2370. All right, we see a pullback. We see a big pullback from SPY. Oh, big pullback from SPY. Just lost 681. Back down 680.81. We'll see if this has any effect on GME overall. Golden shower cross. We would like to see a lot of golden showers, maybe silver showers too, if that's the case. 10 minutes into power hour. GME still holding at 2365. Let's go ahead and review and see what else is good right now. The VIX is up 13.57%, up 2167. FFAI apparently is up 11% in the green. That's surprising to see. Master Beef up 13.49%. I remember TP had talked about Master Beef, you know, since he is the master of the glizzies and he knows something about meat. Master Beef is one of his stock plays. Not too sure if he's still in that, but yeah, shout out to TP wherever he may be. Bars. You also have United States Rare Earth up almost 8%. International stocks outperforming. You also have rare earths performing too. This was at just below $17, now at $18.58. PayPal with a little bounce there, trying to reclaim 44. Neo EV company, Chinese EV company Neo, up 4.5% at 530 from as low as 480. HYMC has been a little bit on a choppy side, just holding at 42.62. It was at above 43 earlier, but now it seems to have come down a little bit, as I would assume that precious metals did come down a little bit too. Calzone, Calcin? What is that? All right, let's go back to SPY. Let's go back to SPY real quick, because we can't lose sight on that. Because we need to see if the market pulling back does affect GME in a sense, as we've seen in the past too. Don't get me wrong, because if we see more volume occur in GME than the SPY in general, and you see more pumping, that should be a good sign. But we're not so sure, so we're gonna see if 2350 becomes support, or we see a little bit of a bounce here afterwards and try to reclaim 2370 and try to close above that. All right, we've seen a little bounce on SPY. Seen a little bounce on SPY. A little weak. It's a little weak right now so far. All right, I will leave this at 2355. Let's see real quick and see if I can find something. All right, so yeah, somebody else is talking about Merger Monday announcement. Nate, somebody here 15 minutes ago saying, so there's a lot of speculation now that GME is acquiring PayPal after trading halted. After hours Merger Monday announcement. This is literally spreading like wildfire. But then again, this is all speculation. This is all rumor. Just know that everything and anything said on this stream also is strictly in our opinion, not financial advice. So always do your own research. Let's go to the hashtag. Let's go to the hashtag GME on X.com and see what they're saying. Somebody is also calling for that falling wedge and a breakout here. This is what it should look like here. But mind you, the last time we checked, let's see. You know what? let's go to ChatGPT and let's go to the previous conversation. Let's go to that previous conversation here somewhere. This bird. Honey doesn't like the water. Honey doesn't like the water for some reason. You having a calzone? You know what? I haven't had a calzone in so long. I forgot what that tastes like. I wanted to go back to, okay, here. Why acquire a public company instead of a private? Diamonds in the rough, quote is a tell. Let's see if I can actually find it. Oh, here we go. Let me see something real quick. I need to do some DD here with Skynet. Not financial advice. It's a fancy quesadilla. Ha! Oh shoot. Let me just copy this image, post this here. So this happened. Calzone. Acquisition. All right, let's see. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, look at this. All right. Get ready for this answer from ChatGPT. Even though ChatGPT is AI and can make mistakes, always check for important info. Not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Blah, 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 blah. So this happened earlier today. What if Ryan Cohen announces the acquisition of PayPal? ChatGPT says, now that would be nuclear. Whoa! If GameStop announced that it was acquiring PayPal, this wouldn't just be a pivot, it would be a category shift. Let's break this down calmly and structurally. First, is it even financially possible? PayPal is a massive cap fintech platform relative to GameStop. So for this to happen, it would almost certainly require primarily stock for stock, possibly partial debt, potential strategic partners, or a merger structure rather than straight acquisition. This would not be quote unquote GME buys PayPal with cash, this would be a transformational merger using valuation arbitrage. So the question becomes, is GME's equity strong enough to be used as currency? And that depends entirely on GME market cap at announcement, terms, which includes premium or discount, and structure, which includes a reverse merger, holding company, etc. Number 2, strategically, why would Cohen do this? Now this is where it gets interesting. So if Cohen believes the retail is commoditized, I never read that word before in my life. Commoditized, whatever. Payments are infrastructure. Fintech equals recurring revenue. Commerce and payments equals vertical integration. Then acquiring PayPal turns GME into a commerce plus payments plus loyalty ecosystem. So that's no longer retail, that's a platform. Number 3, what would this actually create? Imagine this ecosystem. Gaming plus collectibles. Buy through GME, resell through marketplace, and then finance through PayPal credit. All right. Then you have payments layer. So then you have native checkout processing, wallet integration, rewards ecosystem, embedded credit. Then you have data and network effects, spending data, user lifecycle modeling, and cross-selling ability. All right. So number 4, how would the market react on day 1? So this would be violent, likely immediate reaction, massive volume spike, options implied volatility explosion, algo confusion, and institutional disbelief. Initial move could be down, too big / too risky, or up, which is visionary and unexpected. The first candle would not tell the story. It's the trend that follows after the big candle. As for example, what's happening now, if a big candle would occur, then the rest has to follow, and so forth. So, as we continue, now this would completely invalidate the quote-unquote mall retailer narrative. So what happens to the short thesis? Shorts would now be betting against a payments company, a platform merger, and a strategic reinvention, and that's not the same risk profile at all. And when thesis changes, positioning stress follows. So then come to number 6, what happens to PayPal? PayPal right now is profitable, slower growth, multiple compression, and under activist pressure. It fits Cohen's quote-unquote diamond in the rough with sleepy management unquote comment. But this would be the boldest move of his career. Now the real risk, coming at number 7, the real risk, here's the adult take. This would be complex integration, regulatory scrutiny, cultural clash, and enormous execution risk. It's not like buying a retailer. This is fintech infrastructure. If it works, this would result in generational upside. If it fails, this would result in a multi-year distraction. All right, so would he actually do it is the question. Probability wise, according to ChatGPT, it's low, but not zero. Cohen does not telegraph safe moves. He telegraphs asymmetric moves. All right. So, what does it mean by he telegraphs asymmetric moves? The telegraph process refers to a stochastic model describing a particle moving in one dimension at a constant finite velocity, which alternates direction, forward or backward, at random times dictated by a Poisson process with intensity. The asymmetric telegraph process generalizes this by allowing the particle to have different velocities and different switching intensities for the upward and downward movements. Yes. Interesting there, AI. Now, and this one is absolutely asymmetric. If it happened, according to ChatGPT, the 5-day timeline, at day 0, the announcement pre-market likely Tuesday, you would see a 8K being filed and released, terms unclear, and perhaps price chaos, a lot of volatility and such. Then from day 1 to 2, you have analysts downgrading it on a risk rating. Retail frames it as a transformation, and shorts attempt pressure. Continuing on that volatility, up and down, up and down, up and down. Day 3 to 5, market begins understanding the recurring revenue layer, fintech valuation versus retail valuation, and optionality. That's when real repricing would start. Now, number 10, the bigger question. This wouldn't just be GameStop acquiring PayPal. It would be Ryan Cohen declaring that GameStop is no longer a retailer. It's a capital allocator with infrastructure ambitions. This is a fundamentally different animal. Okay. That would be insane. Now let's take a, well, yeah, actually, you know what? Let's give that a try. Let's actually give that a try, and let's ooh. You see that we have SPY attempting to bounce back up, trying for the 681.50. In the meantime, GME is trying to hold right above 2360, coming back from the low of 2357. 2370 is that target. If it actually does, if it does see that bounce and that next leg up, that would be epic. Let's see. So Eric here on the chat. Just my opinion, business perspective, acquiring a platform like Discord would make more sense. Discord was made for a gaming community. Yes, sir. That would be epic. Let's see something here. What would but whatever happens, I want all Lions Den to win. Well, absolutely. We all want to win in this. Whatever the result is, it better be an epic one for sure. All right, let's see right now. Yes. Did it actually say the last time we went through this ChatGPT conversation? Oh, wait a minute. All right, there goes that bounce. It just claimed 681.50. And so 681.70, big blowout right now, big candle, 681.84, trying to go for 682 now, and 682 was just broken. All of a sudden, SPY with a big blast off here. And mind you, it's 3:30 p.m. right now, so that means any same day expiration options contracts, they for Robinhood, for example, they do expire at 3:30. I think they do give a little bit of a leeway. I think at 3:45. I'm not too sure, but sometimes I think most of the time it's 3:30. they'll even automatically close your position and sell whatever you have. Robin the Hood, Robin the Hood. We'll see. There's a little bit of a resistance there, actually. A bit of a pullback at 682. But somehow GameStop here just flat, barely even moving a muscle. As we're looking at this price action from the SPY. Let's continue here and just let's see, because I want to see if, because I know we talked about the different acquisition possibilities for different companies like Reddit, Unity, and Unity. We were really thinking about that one because we've heard the name Unity so many times, and in correlation with Roaring Kitty, and because Unity is in that genre of gaming and design, and we thought, well, that would make more sense. Then you had Roblox, then you had Wayfair, Etsy, eBay, and Best Buy. So that means we haven't really talked about the possibility of GameStop acquiring Discord. What if it was GameStop and Discord? Let's find out. So, let me just take another sip of my coffee. Uh-oh. Here we go. Alright, it's actually going. It's reclaiming 682. SPY, 682. Let me just look at the 5-minute chart real quick. Big candle on the 5-minute. Looks like the trend is changing. It's trying to go back up. 682.17. So far so good in that recovery. GME is still trying to hold 2360 as we speak. Let's go ahead and continue, since now we have 27 minutes left until market close. And why Discord makes more sense than PayPal. Strategically coherent than PayPal. This is far more strategically coherent than PayPal. A GameStop and Discord combination actually makes ecosystem sense. So let's see ChatGPT break this down properly. Structurally, not hype. Oh, listen to that. It's not hype. Step 1. Why Discord makes more sense than PayPal. So just like Eric was just talking about here, because it was made for the gaming community, Discord is native to gaming culture. It's community first, subscription capable with Nitro, infrastructure for creators, plus clans, teams, etc., plus esports, and under monetized relative to engagement. GameStop's problem historically is transactional relationship with gamers. Discord's strength is persistent relationship with gamers, and that is a powerful match. What this would create strategically, imagine the constellation that we were talking about the other week with the same conversation. So if we go back, and see if I can actually find it. I can actually find it real quick. Here. So Cohen may not buy one huge company. He may acquire a mid-cap anchor, then roll up smaller public companies underneath, and creating a constellation, not a monolith. Think GME as a parent company not a brand. And that's how Berkshire started. Yes, sir. As a parent company, not a brand. So then fast forward. Okay. So imagine this constellation. The first layer would be a commerce layer, GameStop. You'd have hardware, collectibles, trade-ins, and marketplace. For Discord, you'd have a community layer. You have guilds or clans or teams, whatever. You have game channels, creator hubs, and event coordination. Then you have a flywheel. Number 1, Discord community forms around a game. Number 2, GameStop becomes embedded storefront. Number 3, exclusive drops launched inside servers. Number 4, digital plus physical collectibles promoted via community. And number 5, events hosted in-store and streamed via Discord. And that's vertical integration of culture plus commerce. Wall Street does not price culture well. Now, how the market would react. This would be seen as bold, strategic, but risky. The initial reaction likely would be a volatility spike. Skepticism from analysts. So in parentheses it says, quote, how does this monetize? Then you have retail excitement and short thesis disruption. Unlike PayPal, this wouldn't be viewed as overreaching financially. It would be viewed as visionary or reckless, depending on execution clarity. So why this actually hurts the short thesis? Shorts model include store closures, revenue comps, and inventory cycles. They do not model social network effects, embedded commerce, cultural monetization, and subscription layering. So if GME owns the social layer of gaming, the valuation multiple shifts. So retail equals 0.5 times 1 0.5. Oh, okay. Retail equals 0.5 to 1 times sales. Platform equals 4 to 8 times sales. That multiple expansion is what changes everything. Now the execution risks. Let's stay grounded. Discord culture is anti-corporate. Monetization push could cause backlash. Community trust must remain intact, and integration must be invisible, not forced. So this is not about slapping ads everywhere. It would have to be subtle commerce integration, not corporate takeover vibes. So the financial reality check of this, Discord would likely require a stock-heavy deal, potential private to public merger structure, significant valuation negotiation. But compared to PayPal, this is smaller, culturally aligned, and operationally less complex. The bigger strategic shift, GameStop becomes not a retailer, not just a marketplace, but the operating system of gaming communities, and that's a different identity entirely. So ChatGPT's probability take is that if we rank bold acquisition categories, number 1 would be mid-cap consumer brand, which is most likely. Number 2, marketplace / resale platform, which is stronger. Number 3, community platform like Discord, visionary but plausible. And a fintech giant like PayPal, a low probability. So Discord is in the quote unquote aggressive but coherent tier. So welcome back, Gabe, Joker of Babylon. If you have some good ideas, let me know. What do you have in mind? Oh, dude, it's your jam. Hey. Oh. What? What? Dun. Dun, dun, dun. Still holding up at 23.59. SPY with a little pullback. SPY did reach a high of 682.24 before pulling back to 681.50, 681.46. It's trying to hold up at the same time. Only have 19 minutes left until market closes. Let's see. If you want, next we can model what monetization layering would look like. Compare valuation re-rating scenarios. Or analyze how this impacts AMC mean basket volatility spillover. Any ideas of what you want me to ask ChatGPT in relations to this topic? Let me know on chat right now what you think. Oh my god, what we doing? Big pullback by SPY. Big pullback by SPY. 681.28. We don't know what's going on, but you know what? It better not affect GME. Even though it's spilling over 23.57, we gotta see this back over 23.70. Oh, bam. All right, let's see. Any other ideas? I mean, I don't know. Shout out to Zelly, by the way, watching behind the scenes, lurking. So, let's see. SPY is trying again. It's gonna try to hold. It's gonna try to hold and maybe bump back up over 682. Usually around 3:50 p.m., 3:55 Eastern time. There's always that big pop on SPY, and it would like literally just pump with a lot of volume out of nowhere. There is earnings for what? Actually, you know what? Let's find out. Hold on. So earnings for today. Earnings for today after close. All right, you have Hims and Hers. Hims and Hers earnings. BWXT. Kratos. What does that say? Defense and Security Solutions. Kratos. Keysight Technologies. There's no I don't see anything that catches my attention. I mean, Kratos is a big defense and security solutions company. There might be other mentions. Not too sure. We do have AMC after close tomorrow, but we already saw AMC release their 8K filing and their earnings report, so that's already done with. I don't even know why that's even there in the first place. Yeah, GME next month, March 12th. But if that announcement of the merger actually comes out after market close today, that would be insane. That would be insanity. Got Nate SR9170. He says, saving this stream if I'm right. He's been reiterating a couple of times. Merger Monday, baby. GameStop merger Monday. He thinks that the merger news is coming out today. That it's coming out after market close. So we gotta see what happens. There's a reason why I stayed home today and got snowed in. Yeah, maybe this was fate. So keep manifesting. Maybe it will happen. Maybe the whole point of us just reading about this acquisition, these different possibilities, maybe it might just happen. Um, 2362. There goes a big bump on the SPY. GME should follow. It should be tracking here. So again, you want to see GME try to hit back over to 2369, 2370. Kind of looks like cup and handle similarly. Oh, that's a big candle. It's a big candle. There goes GME here. All right, we got let's see the reaction from GME in 5, 1. There goes the next candle for the SPY, the next 2-minute candle, and there's a pullback, little pullback. It's trying to SPY's trying to drag it down here, but it's having a hard time. It's having a real hard time doing that. Remember, if you're getting those calls just in case, make sure it's further out in expiration, like March 20th, for example. Not financial advice. You wanna play it safe, and big pullback. All right, so there goes there's a bigger pullback there on the SPY. Just watch both the 2-minute candles on G. You wanna see how they move. Yet she sure did. It's messed up. Yeah, too many red flags. She likes the other side better. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Look at SPY. Just look at SPY real quick. It's trying to drag it out, but that candle made a big difference there as it hit 23.69 again. All right, really quick. We're gonna see how this reacts. No, we don't want the SPY to moon. We want Jimmy to moon and then the SPY go the opposite direction. We need a decoupling to start. Let's see. Any other companies? Let's see. Any other companies? Any of the ones we mentioned you think has the highest chance of being acquired today? Pull back. Could be. It could be. 675. We got 15 seconds. There might be a in 5 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next can. Let's see. Let's see. The VWAP just went vertical from 2317 to 2364. It does have a nice bounce here on the 4-hour chart, not gonna lie. And on top of that, let's see if you notice something. Aside from the fact that the $23.50 calls are now in the money at market close, and now we wonder if 24 is next. Let's see something here. Let's see. 40 minutes ago, our traders forecast this year. All right. Letter to shareholders from Marcus Lemonis. I don't know how to say that last name. Wow. Post by Captain Jack. Breaking a post by Captain Jack on Twitter. PayPal. Look at the open interest for the $90, $95, and $100 strike calls, which is attached here on the screenshots. Remember, Ryan Cohen bought similar out-of-the-money calls when he showed interest in Bed Bath & Beyond. Speculating here. eBay used to own PayPal once upon a time. Is it time to bring them back under one umbrella? GME? Irrespective of who buys PayPal, seeing those out-of-the-money calls seems like it's due for a huge run. On February 3rd, he also posted here speculating that GME may buy eBay. He states here, look at eBay logo. Doesn't it look like the Tetris color blocks? RC is waiting for a hero block of four tiles. EBAY. It will turn GameStop into a global marketplace instantly. Ryan Cohen always wanted to compete with Amazon when he was the CEO for Chewy. eBay is a global leader in graded collectibles. Their acquisition of TCG Player and Vault service. How can it be done? Search the David Swallows Goliath. There are many ways, but the best would be if Roaring Kitty and Apes take GME stock price to a point where the merger can be 1-to-1. After the merger, then combined company would be worth $50 billion apparently. That's why Michael Burry said, as soon as Ryan Cohen gives a hint of merger Monday, meme like never before, so they're betting on you. Huh. He's always trying to get us with that. Oh, a new tweet. It's a new tweet from Roaring Kitty. Should I message him? I gotta get verified to message the Roaring Kitty. I have to upgrade to premium. You believe that? I need to be special. I need to be special. Annually is $84. Billed annually, premium $7 a month. Send it, line. I want to send it, but I can't send it, dude. I wish I can send it. I can't even send it. That sucks. Do you believe that? I can't even do it. I need to get verified. I could just tag him. Did we even open the present yet? This present has been left open for the past year. When is the time? Get premium? No. Maybe later. Maybe later. Huh. It's hilarious. That's what I want to know. What's in the box? What's in the box, Rowan Kitty? What is in the box? You're not telling us what's in the box. Tell us now. I ain't playing. I ain't playing. Tell us what's in the box. Tell us what's in the box. Boo 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 boo. What do you mean membership money? No, what? Are you serious, dude? Really? Yeah. Ay. Premium. Ay. Yes. Oh. Thank you for the I was gonna say Snapchat. I don't know why I said Snapchat. Thank you for the what is it called again? My head is not working right now. My brain is. Thank you, Moisley, for the super chat. There you go, super chat. All right. Premium. Well, it's $4 a month. Everything in premium, basic, and verified check mark. Enhanced grok access, advanced analytics, less ads in your feeds, hopefully less porn, because to see random stuff that makes no sense. Oh, I can get paid to post. Cool. All right. He's gonna tell you he's not a cat and you're not a lion. All right, just give me a second. At least do a William AI video, if not premium. No, you're Alright, hold on. Give me a second. Until the coupon is all right. All right, let me I think it's this one. I'm trying to make sure I have the right email address. Card. Here, 1 second. Maybe 1 second. 1 second. Oh. Dun. Ew, I get a sales tax? Are you serious, bro? A sales tax? 33 cents? Why? Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, guys, there you go. There you go. There you go. I'd like to thank Moistly for your contribution. The $4 has been paid off to X Corp for $4. I am now a premium. Let's see. Welcome to premium. Let's take a quick tour. Your reply is boosted to the top. Oh. Stand out and take control. Your replies rise to the top with reply boost. You can write longer posts, edit posts, and upload much longer videos. When eligible, monetize. Meet Grok into anything happening in real time. Oh yeah. Okay, you'll get your blue. You'll get. You'll get your blue check mark soon. Our team is doing a quick review on your account. My mic is being shorted now. Wait, I have my blue check mark already? What is this? Yeah, my history is pretty crazy. I should have deleted my history. Oh no. I'm a little paranoid. It's mostly gifts, but it shouldn't be harmful. It shouldn't be harmful enough for me to not get the blue check. We'll see what happens. Okay. All right. What's going on here? What is going on here? Jamie at 2366. All right. What All right. So how do I? What else do I do here? What should I do? Creator Studio. I'm ineligible for revenue sharing and subscriptions. So that means I can't do any of that stuff unless I do have the blue check. If I officially get the blue check mark. What is this? What? What is this? That's hilarious. Oh gosh. All right, let's see. I gotta know. All right, let's see what's going on here. It says massive crash in cybersecurity stocks since Anthropic launched Claude Code Security. Over $52.6 billion wiped out in just 2 days. CrowdStrike is down 20%, wiping out $19.6 billion. Palo Alto Networks is down 8.9%, wiping out $11.7 billion. Cloudflare is down 18.5%, wiping out $11.2 billion. Zscaler is down 17.3%, wiping out $4.6 billion. Infosys is down 3.4%, wiping out $2.9 billion. And Okta is down 16.7 billion, wiping out $2.6 billion. Look at that. Look at that. CrowdStrike especially. That's a mean dump. According to Ash Crypto, it looks like AI will eat everything up. And he means literally everything. Roaring Lion. I can't talk. Roaring Lion. Hey, what you know what I mean? Yeah. You know? So Jimmy closed up. Good to see that. Good to see that, there was that huge amount of volume that pumped in today. Right about, not to beat the average, but but anyways, yeah, I was just looking at this. Let's see. Anthropic said, "We'll do security too," and $52 billion evaporated in 48 hours. CrowdStrike shareholders punching the air right now. Claude went from writing code to mass deleting market caps. Speedrun any percentage Wall Street edition. That's insane. Look at this one right here. By Mustard Mindset, AI will absolutely compress margins and security. It will automate detection, and it will kill some legacy SaaS bloat. In 2023, everyone thought AI would kill Google. In 2024, everyone thought AI would kill SaaS. Now AI is apparently killing cybersecurity. The real winners won't be the companies that resist AI. They'll be the ones that weaponize it. How about that theory? Fox the Reaper with peenies. Peenies the weenies. The only femme fatale that appeared today on the Lion's Den. Give it up for Fox the Reaper. Welcome back. How you doing? Yes. GME, nice to see it hold above 2365. 2365. Bed Bath & Beyond, I don't know what the report is for their earnings that was released today. Still trying to figure that out. But GME on a nice little run there today. From the bottom of 2280 something. Oh, 2279. 2279. That was like right around 9:44, 9:46 in the morning Eastern time. Before making that comeback. It's beautiful. Hold my nuggets like they're above 2365. Currently 2367 as we speak, with a high probable chance that it will break over 24 sometime tomorrow, right? There was somebody here again earlier today by the name of Nate SR.0917 quoting that today would be Merger Monday, and Merger Monday news after hours today. Trust me, bro. LOL. I don't know with that LOL in caps if I was supposed to trust him on that, but you know. But yeah, if he said he's saving the stream if he's right. So far, no release. It's 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. And we're still waiting to see if there's anything of that nature. SPY to the moon. Is SPY crawling back up? It did close at 682. Where is SPY? Let's see. SPY. Here he goes. SPY 682.72. Okay, so it actually climbed back up to 6. It almost broke 683. Mind you, the high of SPY today was at 690 on the dot. 690.00. And then the low was at 680.37. So you saw SPY lose $10 off its value. That would have been a nice play for puts. Imagine the thousands, the tens of thousands, the hundreds of thousands, the millions made off of that one big move. And then back up, and then back down again, and then back up again. Maybe 684. That's spicy, right? No, we need 700. So then when SPY hits 700, then I can go ahead and get into VIX, because I still want VIX. Your snow is melting already? It seems like the snow out here in New York was more wet than anything. I'm pretty sure you can make a good snowball with it. But yeah, it was a big deal. You know what I'm saying? It was less than what I thought, and these idiots just overhyping it and making it seem more dangerous than what it is. I want an actual blizzard. Like, hello. Like, I want 30 inches on the ground. so I can stay home for the whole week. But then again, that would cause the economy to kind of like, you know, have some pain. Supermarkets or any other stores. So, you know, that's the case. Always. I think that's always been the case. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see. But let me see something. Let me just do some research here. How many inches of snow in New York City? Winter storm updates, heavy snow, blizzard warnings in New York City, New Jersey, Boston. Blizzard dumps 2 feet of snow on Long Island? On Long Island and New Jersey. 3 days ago, we were expecting around 1 to 3 inches of snow. Then we get hit with a blizzard. Hilarious. The forecast showed 12 to 18 inches in New York City, along with streets in Central Jersey and Nassau County. Some farther out in Long Island got 2 feet of snow. But I don't know. I don't know if I really would want to call it a blizzard, because the winds, in my opinion, weren't even high enough. They weren't gusty enough to create blizzard conditions, especially the snowfall. But there was a lot of closures. There were a lot of suspensions in train service, buses. Nobody was allowed to be out in the streets. Only emergency vehicles. So according to PIX 11 News, Central Park got 19.7 inches. LaGuardia Airport got 22.2 inches, which is not that far from where I live. Grasmere got 24.1 inches. Snow totals in Long Island. Babylon with 29.5 inches of snow. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot. And supposedly we're supposed to get more snow later on this week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, but I don't think it's enough to be a problem, huge problem. Yeah, it seems like Foxy's going to be in charge of the red flags. That sucks. I can't see anything else. Oh, wait a minute. I just found out, ladies and gentlemen, I just found out tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Time is it's the State of the Union address. That's cool. Oh shoot. I know Gabe would definitely have a lot of fun fumbling around those red cards, those red flags. So nothing yet right now. It's 4:36 p.m. Eastern Time, and there has been no quote unquote Monday merger news, according to Nate SR 91070. So we're still waiting for that. What else? Kratos. We have earnings for Kratos. Well, beat earnings. Hims has not shown whether it's beat expectations or missed expectations. But guys, once upon a time, remember there was a big hype about Hims and her health. Remember last year? Remember last year being over $70 a share? The one that was supposedly capable of making our hair regrow again and not make us bald. This was 70. We're talking about $72.98 back in February 19th of last year. It's been a year since then. It's been a year. You realize that? Hims was at 72.98 compared to now, 1 year later, and Hims is now going through some suffering and is at $15.18, way below the 200, and now it looks like it's losing its shit. Maybe going even lower to maybe 13. That's not good, right? There were both. You see, that's funny because it was supposed to be the banana pill. It was supposed to be the banana and orange pill, right? You know, when you cut open an orange and then you just split the middle and then you stick your finger. That's the orange pill, whatever. Then you got the banana pill, right? So we obviously, stick the banana in the orange and, you get that. Anyways, then all of a sudden they shifted to hair. Started trying to grow hair instead of bananas. So then they grew their business. They grew their business on that and marketing all this stuff and showing, oh my God, I can grow hair too. Look, all I got to do is take this banana pill and woohoo. And then lo and behold, the stock was worth $73 once upon a time, and now it's like all these people are like, oh, what happened to my banana? I mean, now it's a Chiquita banana, and now I lost more hair than I did last year. What happened? What happened to the quality? What was changed here? This has what inside? Am I gonna die? I'm joking. This is my opinion. I'm just using my imagination here, but yeah, or shorts just are taking over heavily and just trying to destroy the company. It could be any of those things. Who knows? But yeah, that's quite a drop, quite a difference from last year. So yeah, not good. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions here also kind of looking, but they beat earnings and revenue expectations, so maybe it might continue to go up. I'm not sure about that. B9, I remember B9. Does Adam and Eve have a stock? Adam and no, I can't find it. Adam and Eve. No. Adam and Eve. We went to see if there was a ticker for Adam and Eve. That's what I just did. Is disconnecting on me. I need to find a way to fix the USB port on this because it's loose. I think that's the reason why it keeps cutting in and out. The pattern site AEDB. What is this? Oh, there's no site for that. Wait, if I click on that, am I gonna get in trouble? Oh, Bukowski on Adam and Eve double bottoms. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So this looks like a banana, and this one looks like an something else. So what? Let's see if we can spot something like that here. Let's pin it. Thank you for sharing, Foxy. Let's see. Adam. Okay. Adam and Eve double bottoms overview. Adam is a term that describes how the bottom looks. In this case, a narrow, pointed bottom, perhaps with a one-day downward spike. Eve bottoms are more rounded looking and wider. If they have spikes, they tend to be more numerous and shorter. Many times the difference between Adam and Eve is the width of each over their entire height. Adam bottoms tend to remain narrow, but Eve bottoms widen over their height. When trying to decide which is which, ask yourself if the two bottoms appear different or similar. With Adam and Eve, the two should look different. The first bottom is narrow and the second is wide. Let's see if we can actually see that on... Oh! You say it was on that play. You said. But did you get in, baby? But did you get in? No! It's about to get crazy. It's up to the D, the AMC, is it harder? Too long, been around too much. My money, my ass. Let me see. Mind. Everything that you lost. Silver. Some Tesla. About to explode. GME. All work out. All fall down. It's the market. Oh yeah. What is this? Observing. Yeah. Give me 1 second. What is going on with my thing? Did you get in? Baby Joe, Dre, Baby Joe. Oh yeah. Wait, did I disconnect or something? What's going on? What's going on?
Mine's dead, baby.
Oy. Let me see. It says month time frame, monthly time frame. Okay. Ooh. Let me see. Nah, I want to be able to see. I wanna see this level, much pure body floating. Mind feels lighter. I don't see the atom. My heart goes. Have you seen any chart on the monthly that has the Adam and Eve pattern? The average separation between bottoms is almost 2 months. Yeah, I have to see myself. Huh. 2 months. Almost 2 months. I mean, for Jimmy, I see this bottom here. Because because maybe that's Adam. I mean, because maybe this is Eve, and then maybe this is Adam. Call me mellow yellow. Ooh. I think maybe that is Adam, and that's Eve. It's Adam and Steve. It's supposed to be Adam and Steve, not Adam and Eve. It's not Adam and Steve. It's supposed to be Adam and Eve. Oh, Lord. Lord. So I want to say, yeah, maybe this is Adam and Eve. Ooh. I don't like when I can't draw properly, which sucks. But yeah, we do see somewhat of another bottom here. Sing it. No. I'm done. Start over. I'm a new. I'm so tired. Yo, Eric, when are you streaming next? Or are you doing streams every Friday night? I was curious about that. Ow. Ooh. All right, fam. Enjoy your nap. Do some stretches. Yeah. Oh. What? Play these games. Insane. Oh, here we go. Triangle, and then we have a triangle, and then we have a, so Adam and Eve, right? Does this count? If I do it like this? I don't know. Peas out to the sleeper. Peas. Actually, you know what? I see it more on the 2-week chart. Maybe that's what that is. So if I shift this a little bit more here. Why do I keep getting, hold on, what is this? Eve didn't confirm. Okay. Is it cool to like look at it on the stream? Or is it a secret?
Drowning out the noise,
Baby.
always staying locked in. No, there's no time in wasted. Well, it comes to dealing with boys.
Okay. Thank you.
One of all that written, when all you talk about is playing, beginning, middle, and end.
Ah.
Was always unread, but you
Okay.
still sucking on more
So because
to
of that
win.
not confirming, we could have possibly saw a, I mean, if it did confirm, we would have definitely seen an explosion up past all those levels, fill the gap, and go back to 34. Probably even higher than that if the shorts were to get vaporized, maybe 40, theoretically speaking. And on top of that, I mean, if you take a look at the RSI in the bottom, the ARC RSI, it's above the red line. So and it's steadily holding up. So all you need is that one bounce, RSI, then confirms the rest, and then it's upside central. We just need a clear 24. If not tomorrow, then before this week is over. We need a clear 24.
I'm too late for the games you play. No more tokens for
Let me react to this. Like, that was hot. Two months or 4 months? As in, like, for Jimmy to confirm the breakout, you think it would take 2 months to 4 months, or are you saying like before, within the 2 to 4 month range, it's on the verge of breakout? Because in 2 months, 2 months is April. 4 months, that's between May and June. And if this actually doesn't do anything, maybe we'll get another June event. I mean, that would definitely give us a lot of time to accumulate on more shares, technically, theoretically speaking, not financial advice. Oh, I do have the blue check mark. I thought it was like automatic, but I mean, I thought it wasn't automatic, like they had to review it, but I guess I do have the blue check. What did he say? Catch hands? I can back to, I think 1st, 2nd weeks of May. Catch hands. Wait, did he say? Oh, I also posted an out. What did he post? Stop. Oh, no, I am not. Okay, I need a confirmation from Foxy. Do I click on that? Do I click on that link or no? Let me be on the safe side. Let me click it, because I swear. Oh, okay, yeah. That's definitely the right website there. It's a good thing I actually transitioned the screen for that. Fire. That was fire. Ooh, oh. Do I ruin the joke? No, I mean he had me look. I mean, the website kind of fooled me, because I thought it would be a little bit normal, just talking about community-wise, and I mean, just look at it though. Wait, where'd it go? Oh no, it's community.micro-minimus. You would think that would be like a regular website, and that would be like some type of company. But nope, that was definitely not what that was. Thank you for sharing, Moisley. You're funny. The daily, on the other hand, hello. I like the parabolic RSI on the daily, because you have somewhat of a double bottom there, and then all you'd have to see is for this to break out and then break through the downtrend, something like that. It doesn't have to be exactly how it would play out, but that's just to give you a little bit of an example. But the setup is not so bad, because now you have on the daily that 50, the Jurek moving average trend breakouts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wait, that is okay. That is. Oh, never mind. That is the 9. That's the 9 moving average. Are you serious right now? All right. Well, anyways, so yeah, that eventually broke. That eventually broke above the 200. Okay. So then you see it's trying to actually hold up a trend. So technically, this is supposed to be going up. This is supposed to be double bottoming too. You know, in this sort of way. Let me see. Let me get a 4-hour chart here. What do you guys think about that? Ooh. Hold on, I need to go to the bathroom. Sorry. I gotta go pee. All right, I had to. I had to use the bathroom, and I also got myself a little bit of flan dessert. I was craving that, and also I don't want it to go bad, you know. So, oh, that tastes so good. Oh, that tastes so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. What did he say? Are you in? I think Lion must be doing number 2 and not number 1. You were nah. It's a good guess, but that's later on tonight. If you're gonna share your personal link, your Amazon link, where on Discord? You can do that. I give you permission. If you have kinky stuff on your Amazon shop, then you can share that on the dungeon. Oh no! You're talking about books. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry about that. I was a bit confused. Sorry. Oh. Damn. I remember once upon a time, hold on, me. All right, what's going on here with this? Okay. I need to get this out the, okay, there you go. All right, so this is the book. Oh. My Dividend Sniper Guide is your ultimate companion to mastering dividend investing with precision and confidence. Designed for both beginners and seasoned investors, this 100-page guide breaks down complex strategies into easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions, complete with visual charts and images that make every concept clear. Inside, you'll find proven dividend stock tickers to watch, expert tips and tricks to maximize returns, step-by-step guidance for making informed investment decisions, a compact 6x9 travel-friendly format, perfect for learning on the go whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save thousands, or sharpen your trading skills. My Dividend Sniper Guide equips you with the knowledge and tools to strike with precision and make smart, profitable moves. If you're interested in this book by Zenobia Winters, aka Fox the Reaper, please support and find this book in your Amazon. And if you're interested, of course, not financial advice, always do your own research, but you can also do your own research using this book and supporting. It only costs $25 in paperback. Free delivery by February 27th, Friday for me. Cool. So here is the front cover. The Dividend Sniper Guide. I'm not gonna lie, that name is pretty fire. Zenobia Winters. This is the back here. course, copyrighted material. All great plays start with building passive income. Ladies Nobia. Beautiful. Let's check the review here from an Amazon customer reviewed in the United States on December 23rd, 2025. Says his book. His book provides solid basic knowledge and training that can genuinely help you grow as a trader. The strategy focuses on generating regular cash flow, making it especially useful for income-focused traders. One of its strengths is that the system can be combined with options to enhance returns. It's also an ideal approach for those using an IRA or other tax-advantaged accounts. Overall, a practical and well-structured guide for traders seeking consistent income. Oh yeah. I'm curious too. How long have you been a trader for? Tell us your experience here in the Lions Den chat, and I would love to know. What? Jeez, tough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, look at this. Breaking. Elon Musk posting here 24 minutes ago, saying Anthropic is guilty of stealing training data at massive scale and has had to pay multi-billion-dollar settlements for their theft. This is just a fact. Wow. Says here, we've identified industrial scale distillation attacks on our models by DeepSeek, Moonshot AI, and Minimax. These labs created over 24,000 fraudulent accounts and generated over 16 million in exchanges with Claude. No way. Oh, let's see something here. I started my journey in 2024, but I took a mentorship to improve my position. I also studied by myself beforehand. Eric G, who went to bed, and I used to stay up till 4 in the morning going over different strategies, I guess. Trading strategies, chart analysis. You have a few books out. Smart money. Oh yeah? Let's see. Okay. You got a few books here, okay. That's cool. Stability is the edge, a market strategy that changes the game. Oh, okay. And the navel hypothesis, speculation of the body's forgotten center. Oh, the art of healing through unpacking trauma. Wow. That's cool. The navel. The belly button. Hmm. Stability is the edge, a market strategy that changes the game. Released February 10th, 2026. Most traders approach the market trying to predict the next move. That mindset destroys accounts. This book offers a different approach. Instead of chasing direction, you'll learn how to position yourself using logic, structure, and repeatable income strategies built around cash, secured puts, and covered calls. I remember you talked about this many times before, how it's been quite successful so far. So I do appreciate you sharing that information too as well. Trying to think about the last play. Trying to think about the last play you mentioned doing cash secured puts. I doubt it was Archer. Maybe I'm wrong. Or maybe it was Archer. Or was it another stock? Let's see. Why fast money and YOLO trades fail long term? How premium sellers think differently than speculators. The mental shift from ownership to positioning. How the wheel strategy actually works when fear is removed. Why placement matters more than prediction. How consistency is built through structure, not excitement. This is not a get-rich-quick system. It's a practical framework designed for traders who want to survive market cycles, protect capital, and grow steadily without emotional burnout. If you're ready to stop gambling and start building with intention, this book will change how you see the market. Again, this is the new book released by Zenobia Winters, aka Fox the Reaper. Stability is the edge, a market strategy that changes the game. Most traders don't fail because they're wrong. They fail because they're chasing excitement instead of structure. This book breaks down a calm, repeatable approach to options trading built around logic, premium collection, and capital protection. No hype, no predictions, no gambling. Just a framework designed to remove fear, reduce emotional decision making, and make you in the market long term. Oh, and keep you in the market long enough to win. If you're tired of fast money stories and ready to build something sustainable, this book is for you. Only $15.99. If you order now, you will earn 16 points and receive free delivery using Amazon Prime. Excuse me. Give me 1 second. Well, I'll take another bite of my fly. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. Now to add current events into the mix and how current events can affect the gameplay entirely in general. Like, let's see, Roaring Lions saying here on chat, so let me ask you guys a question. Don't you think if there was an infinity squeeze, as Kevin Gill is pushing, don't you think that would destroy the dollar and the economy? Because I see a setup to destroy the monetary system to reign in Bitcoin. To reign in Bitcoin or to reign in another currency? Another digital currency. How about XRP as an example, or other coins? If you take a look at Bitcoin, you can pretty much see how it had broken down, or it's actually starting to break down from this supposed long consolidation here, and the fact that it looks like a bear flag that quite frankly did get broken down. That's what it looks like, right? That's a bear flag. And this is just me. This is just me and my feeling on it. It might take, the fact that I just wouldn't touch Bitcoin due to its history and other things that have happened that were not for good intentions, and they had to use Bitcoin for certain things that kind of involves evil, in my opinion. So I wouldn't want to dirty my hands, honestly. And it's fact that there's other tokens or coins that support an actual proof of concept, such as cross-border transactions at fast speeds from country to country, wherever you may be. And a lot of countries a lot of countries that are what is that word? I'm having a brain fart. Adopting. A lot of countries that are now adopting this particular token for that specific matter to be able to get those transactions fast, quick, and easy to whoever that may need it, and to and to make sure that there's no type of corruption and dirty business with any other coins and tokens. I don't know. Which is why I'm closely looking at the other tokens that are supposed to be part of the ISO 2022200022220002222222, because I think those coins, those tokens are going to have a big purpose in this whole transition. Yes, I would like to thank you also for sharing, for dropping by into the stream as always, sharing the information, sharing your Amazon page and your books that are available for sale. I know that I probably won't. Well, actually, as a matter of fact, I technically could promote it because now I'm a premium member on X.com. So maybe I can just give you a shout out and post your page on there. And who knows, maybe somebody may just be interested in buying one of your books. I would love to not lose any more, and that would mean a lot. So thank you. Yeah, listen. You know what? Where's the thing at right here? Is there like a share button for this? Here, is this? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's it right there. Yeah. Moistly, he sent me a $4 super chat just so that I can get premium, and I was not expecting that. He also wants me to make an AI video of William doing something wicked and nasty about Real Town. Dude, I talked to you about it too, and he's actually listening, dude. Really? So he better listen. What is your thing? You don't have a Twitter, do you? I'm sure you have an X.com page, right? Because I need to tag you. Oh, my back. Nice. Is your page professional? Because I need to make sure. Nothing crazy in there, is it?
This is for you. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready, collectors? You have Sabinopolis and Santa Teresa. You have natural.
I think I. Oh, okay. Okay. Where's my lion at? Where's my lion? There it goes. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay. Oh, wait, I gotta do the... Okay, there you go. Blue eyes and hot chocolate? Sounds like a fun time. Haha! Upstairs. Oh, there was an hour ago there was a massive GPS jamming in Syria, Iraq, and Iran. Interesting. Okay. All right. I got it done. Let's go. All right, just shared. Hopefully, with my premium account, I got how do you say I got priority, and people will actually see what I post. Breaking: the Pentagon's top general has cautioned President Trump from an attack on Iran, saying that shortfalls in critical munitions and a lack of support from allies will add significant risk to the operation and to U.S. personnel, per Washington Post. Damn. Wow, look at that. 3 hours ago, credit card stocks down big based on Citrini research says AI agents will eventually transact on stablecoin payment rails and bypass interchange. Visa was down negative 4.4%, MasterCard negative 6.3%, American Express negative 7.9%, and Capital One negative 8.0%. Wow. COF. Was it really? Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. My bank. That's my bank. Why? Don't do it. Look at that, dude. Capital One. And that's from the high of 259.64 back in January 6th. And now this thing is at 189.61. This thing is dropping. Oh, this is dropping. Oh. Capital One. What's in your wallet, right? World War III and MOAS first 2 weeks of May at the same time. Man, your predictions are very, very wild. Stop it! I like it. It's very wild. Yeah, so I think that's good enough, right? And then this I will how do you call it? I'm gonna post this on here, educational images. Should I put this on educational images or is this clickable? Oh, let's go straight to the book on Amazon. Okay. Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. I bet you I can get that book on some app. I bet you I can get it on this app free. Woo! Let's see if I can actually do it. So do you think that's something that would probably happen? Wow. Silver is huge. It's up 4.17%, by the way. Gold surged in and it's up 2.30%. 5,237 was the last high of today. 89.03 for silver. It's massive. Massive. What is oil doing? Oil was at 67.28. Damn. That's crazy. Let's see, dude, that's sick. My goal is to sell a textbook for $100. Let's make it happen. Let's go. You got this. And I'm glad to be able to share the information out there. Hopefully we'll get some. Oh, there you go. I just got your. Let me follow you back. I'll follow you back. Got it. Just liked your post. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your dinner if it's dinner time. And we'll talk to you later. We'll discuss a lot more later on. So yeah, much love. See you, Kit Kat. Wow. Oh, Peter Schiff says Bitcoin will crash to $10,000. I like the sound of that. I feel you. An hour ago, just then, Trump says he prefers a deal with Iran over war. 50% chance of a deal. Wow. Unreal. What is this? IBM. Let me look at IBM real quick. There's an inverse cup and handle on oil, by the way. The 5-minute chat. Let's see. IBM. International Business Machines Corporation. Wow, what a drop. What a drop, man. You're going to start to see a lot more uncertainty with tech stocks, cybersecurity stocks, defense stocks. In terms of AI, fears, all of that stuff. Dude, the chances are even growing higher with reactions like this because of AI. And that's going to be the bubble that starts to grow even more. And then once it bursts and all these companies start to fall, and many of those that would have to, would have to liquidate their assets due to margin calls all over the place, they would have no other choice but to use Bitcoin as their only source of liquidity to be able to cover their positions. That's my only idea that I think that would be possible. So yeah, we just gotta be on the lookout for that. And if that's the case, you already know, if Bitcoin, decides to just drop like a rock, I think all the coins will follow as well. We'll track. We'll see a lot of these coins at huge discounts, in my opinion. But it just doesn't make any sense, There's others that are just so highly adamant on Bitcoin when the real threat to Bitcoin is sitting there and it has not, gone away, has not been defeated, and there's a chance that it will reign supreme later on in the future, including other coins that would be connected to it, in my opinion. But yeah, we just gotta wait and see. Especially also with precious metals, as it continues to inch higher and higher to try to reclaim back to $100 an ounce, even higher for silver. And gold, 5,600 to 6,000. Probably. Let's see how the other sectors are doing. Let's see indexes. Of course, we had the dollar at a low of 97.35 earlier today. It was below 97 last Monday. Then let's see. You even had Japan's stock market down too, down 0.5%. And here on the 4-hour chart, presenting a inverse cup and handle. So you wonder if the Japanese stock market will also fall at the same time. Bitcoin is still looking weak and down, still down, negative 4.17% on the day. And on the 4-hour chart, still looking weak and breaking down lower than what it was before yesterday. So expect more of these Bitcoin miners to also follow with it. MicroStrategy, which is one of the bigger miners out there. MicroStrategy down negative 5.60 on the day. Unreal, and it just continues to go further south. The last low at 104.17 actually back in February 5th. But since it's actually tracking along with what Bitcoin is doing, and of course, I mean, imagine if that actually were to be the case, if Bitcoin were to fall back down to like 40,000, as an example, you would no longer see MicroStrategy in the triple digits, guaranteed. Even on the weekly, it looks pretty nasty. And right where the 200 moving average is, that's around, I want to say maybe, what, 93 bucks? Yeah. That is nasty. Nasty. You got oversold like crazy. Dun-dun. Currently, as we are speaking right now, let's go ahead and go back to GME real quick and show you that GME has not moved a muscle. It's been just blipping 23.65 ever since the end of market day, after market close. So we want to consider that as a good thing as it holds around that level. And hopefully by tomorrow we can see GME reclaim $24 and try to break even more. The whole thing with the news about acquisitions, merger Mondays, it seems like it's getting slimmer. That chance is getting slimmer for Nate's prediction to actually see it happen. So the more the night passes by, the less that it will actually happen. So if not, then we'll always look forward to tomorrow as another day. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Anywho, just another reminder here by Kalshi, who just posted an hour ago, that $700 billion was erased from the stock market today. Oh. Somebody named Stonkfather 5 hours ago randomly here is saying, so you're telling me AA sold his HYMC for $24 million, which would now be worth $98 million, to then milk retail for another $150 million in dilution instead of just holding the HYMC position? You literally can't make this up. Silverback. That is insane. Just talked about that earlier this morning. This makes no sense. Market cap of AMC, by the way, if you wanted to know, AMC's market cap now at $590.97 million. The size of the free float, 510.06 million. Shares outstanding at 513.89 million. What is wrong with that picture? Let's just bring this down a little bit. Ooh. Let's see. So what we were trying to find out here too is if this 50-day period moving average starts to flip up again, pushes further out. This looks good. All right. We're There's 20, 22. Woo! Da-da. I'm yep. Wow, 56 halts on HYMC today? Really? How is that possible? All right, I'm gonna be doing some more research here. Yeah, let's call it a day. And there's a lot going on in the background, so I'm gonna cut the stream. And like to wish you guys a wonderful Monday. And thank you, Roaring Lion. Thanks to Fox the Reaper. Thanks to Eric. Thanks to Moisley. And I also appreciate the $4 super chat. I will see if I can work on some AI videos of William now that I have premium for Twitter. I'd like to thank Johnny. I'd like to thank Fishy. I'd like to thank Kai Supreme pulling through to the stream. Gabe, Nate, Johnny. Nate, your prediction, I'm still waiting for it. We'll see what happens. Also, shout out to everybody else. TP, Zelly, and shout out to the DZ fam and everybody else who's missed this stream. Thank you very much. Thank you for the vibes. Thank you for the information. Thank you for dropping by. And yeah, we'll continue this later on, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So everyone, wishing you all the best for tomorrow trading, and hopefully everyone is safe from the storm that happened yesterday to today. Yeah, love y'all, and see you on the next Lion's Den with yours truly, LionOfAllTradez. Just know that anything on the stream was just strictly in my opinion and not financial advice. Always do your own research, and just know that this stream was for education, entertainment, and research purposes. Again, take care. I'll see you in the next. Peace out.
Lion of Church.
Let me stop.